the first time that NYU, our department, our language programs have been involved with the real community out there. We were talking about taking down the walls. We've taken down our walls, and you're welcome to our office at NYU. You're welcome to our Urdu conference, which is, again, for the 5 building sectors of our society, and you're a part of these people who are building capacity for the future of our program, of our new generation, and our country. So, welcome here. Thank you for coming, and I hope to hear from you. Shahed Khan is our coordinator of the Alliance for Pakistan and Urdu Studies, and we hope to be in communication with you with your ideas for what else you want us to do during the conference and beyond. Thank you.